Yo, wagwan. Man. I'm beast.
Okay.
Anyway, wagwan people, what I did. Today, I am reacting to my third video. The third video is, as you can see on the top of the screen up there, so, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, I've got rubber bullets. That is the episode. That was the second Call of Duty episode, but the third video up on the channel. Alright? The last video that me react to was the GTA, the first GTA one. So this is the next one on the channel. So I react to this one today and see if you don't like it and see what I go on. And I can't remember that, like me say, not the last one. I can't remember that thing here. I can't remember them video. So I'm just go back to them and see what go on. You understand what I say? So let's jump straight into the video. Let's go.
Hey yo, wagwan people, welcome back to our next video. You don't know Jamaica's worst gamers here, and we're gonna play some Call of Duty.
Yeah.
And you don't know, we're gonna give it to you raw.
Like chicken and Kentucky.
You know the thing though. So, I can load up a game. I think a team that match a come in, you know. Load it up and see what I go on. See how much people I can kill before them kill me off. Whole heap of time. So guys, please make sure you leave a comment, leave a like, and also subscribe to the thing. You don't know, respect and manners.
Them done the channel
in advance. You're welcome. So I could jump in it and see.
PlayStation I play upon also. PlayStation. I was recording on PlayStation. I never have no Elgato capture card or nothing. And the headphone mic, not this headphone, the other one. Oh god, what is it? Here we go. Let's go.
Alright, just plug out. Might plug in now. So I can do this now. Let's see what can go on. I'm down this sniping now. When I go on something, I idiot.
Gunshot. Oh,
yeah, jump it dog, my boomy.
Boomy! Bad word. See that. Done him. See that. Done him. Reload.
They can't kill the man all now.
In there. Back him!
Man, I'll kill you, blood.
Go on.
Load your gun, big idiot. Load your gun.
Back him!
It's dead.
Yo! What go on?
Oh, dog. They could kill the man there, sir.
Are somebody walk list?
Alright, I can run go see what I go on, you know,
What good? Don't go there. No. Something finance, this man kill me. See me. See me. Run attack him.
No, God! Them make me feel dead. Every minute me dead. Every minute.
Let me just say this and get it out of the way. Me never did have a good game. Me never did have a good day. Me head that hurt me. Me couldn't see good. Me did lose my glass. Like. Alright.
Me dead.
It makes no sense me I explain nothing to no because when I say a lie anyway.
Every minute me dead. What am I coming us up on? Everybody run us already. No man run us up to kill dog. Run us to what? I don't like run us up.
I don't like run us up.
Run the building then.
Shut a fire in the dog.
Shut a fire, but I can't see no man.
Rubber bullets, a video name rubber bullets for a reason, dog. I'm serious. Gunshot!
Oh, big. We can't kill one person. Not one person dead yet. Not one person dead, dog. Big. Well, I can't put this on. Well, I got dead like anti-fallen.
Hola.
Try a thing, you never know what can go.
Not dead. Hola.
Where? Come back.
See, come. Hop!
We are in command.
Son him now. I'm dead.
This one, man. Let's watch man go kill you now, idiot. Go ahead.
Boy upstairs. We're not silent.
That's the body there now. Boy, run gone now. I'm see me come, I'm bad. That's why I'm run.
Them there.
I'm system me are coming. No, I'm
I
bad.
can't see him. Can no dog? Where the man gone?
Kill him, 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 kill him.
Oh my God!
What?
Nah shot a soul. Nah shot nobody.
I summoned it.
Him bullet them a rubber. Rubber bullet.
So that you have lost the lead.
Yo, Mr. Me have rubber bullet.
What a rub.
See that rubber bullet me have to choke.
I am in pain.
If severe pain.
Severe pain.
Gosh.
Mr. Rubber bullet. Okay, now get
People.
kill nobody.
Friendly care packages.
Nobody not dead.
UAV overhead.
Y'all know you not kill one person yet, and them kill about five times. Big idiot. Come on, dog.
See me, 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 see me.
Jesus Christ, them saying dead.
See me, see me, see me.
Yo, we can't take that game, dog. We can't take that game, brother. That game, yo, that
Yo.
game, dog. That no, dog. Yo.
Nobody.
Oh.
Nobody.
Oh no, we can't kill one person.
Oh man, I was the song.
One
Yes.
different.
Yes. 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 Woo, 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 boom. Kill one man. Know yourself.
Dead. All right, thank God.
What you do that?
Jesus Christ.
Son, look, listen, stop it.
People.
Don't, no. Don't do it. It's unbecoming.
People, when you see me react like this, when you feel say, like, me do it first, me can't remember the video, me cannot remember the video. When I make a video and put it up, me don't watch it again. I don't watch it again, and this was like 6 months ago, dog. Really, dog? Yo.
Hit me. He mashed me up. Me kill one person,
UAV
people.
overhead.
Not happy for me?
Allied precision airstrike
No,
incoming.
must happy for me so me kill one
Got
person.
a one boy
God.
teeth, you know what I think, go?
They must happy for me so me kill one person.
Ready, 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 ready. What? Where my boss? I believe I was a sentry gun there. Oh, him dead. You got dead too now. Yes, we kill him.
They've reached the halfway point. Get
Dead. Dead. See me, see me. Come down, my youth.
People, please make sure say you like, comment, and subscribe it, and please click the notification button if you want to know a video like this of me getting mashed up online. My these idiots.
Boss. Knock.
Jesus Christ. Me born for dead.
Yo, this is
Me born for dead.
painful, dog. This painful, dog.
Yo, that's one that kill people hard on
This painful.
like an idiot.
So man, this painful, and it's not a joke. It's not. Me know some of they laugh right now like say something funny. To me, it's not funny. To me, it hurt me. Cause me I say yo, as somebody.
Me not go around there. Me reach one man around
Get
there.
him.
Me not
Where
go
come
around
from,
there.
sir? Where come from, sir? Where come from?
Here. Me not going around there.
I'm not talking. See me. I'm a team member. Me about to shut off. Me empty a clip off of the team member, dog. Hold on. Let me see it again, dog.
Me not going around there.
What up?
Me I should have
I don't want to live on this planet anymore.
I should have my own person. My own team member. Watch out. I'm jumping down.
No.
You fuck. The man who kill you not kill, but you kill off your own people them.
Concentrate!
Concentrate. Focus.
Yo, big idiot.
Yo.
Nothing but an idiot.
Yo. Them
Come on, I'm a beat with.
them Call of Duty are the
38
best.
to
Come on, sir.
73.
Turn around. You never see the man. Look there. Alright, look there. Look on the wall under the flag. Where you see? Something move. Go back.
Nothing
Look.
but an idiot. Come on, I'm a beat with.
Look there, sir. You see something where move? That's that person where glitch through the wall. Me could have killed. Look.
38
See
to
that?
73. Me shame.
See that man? See the man there?
Me shame for be on a team. Yeah.
Will you keep quiet?
No.
Me shame.
Nah, keep quiet, man.
Me shame.
Can't believe this. Made that hurt me, dog. You made that hurt me. Just a react to the video. Made that hurt me, brother. Cause I never know see some of this here. It's traumatizing. It is traumatizing.
If you come out here, you end up a crouch down. Watch out. People, leave a like. If you like to see me getting killed up, leave a comment. Give me your opinion. And make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Me just have rubber bullet alone. Swam on there. Swam there, dog. I'm dead.
So, let me know which game you want to see me play.
Me just have rubber bullets. Me just can't. Wire. Yes.
Yeah, me shoot one.
Yes.
Let me know which game you want to see me play. Also, hear that?
Why am I that
And
sniper?
I will
What am I
play.
kill? 3.
But I go upstairs and I will see what I go on.
Hat
So I
trick.
can kill a one man.
Death.
Cause nothing I go on to me, you know. I'm there. Sorry. Me never mean to do that. Sorry. Where you there? I'm not gonna come in. I'm not gonna come in. I think you're not coming across our. Yo, me can't come on the window with you now. Come on, where
Come on.
Can you see me after say you want come across come get me killed?
Come on.
I'm dead by myself. You know I'm dead beside of you.
Come on, give me some.
You're playing up beside people.
Don't.
You're playing to kill people hard.
You see the plane and go out there like you're an idiot.
That's a plane and jet, sorry.
Not a plane. Jet, whatever
Like I said,
it
please
is.
leave
Jet,
a like, a
whatever.
comment. Also share to your friend them.
Yo, me don't want to see no laughing in the comment section about this, dog.
They can't play a game.
Me don't want to see nobody tell me something. Me don't want to see no laughing, brother.
Jamaica's worst game, man.
I was
that
young.
is what I am. Watch there. 15 times a day, I kill 3 person.
Me don't want to see nobody in the comment section and tell me say me not good. And me can't play the game and whatever. Me don't want to see no laughing emoji in the comment section. Me mean it.
Nah, I disagree.
That not right. That not look good.
You know, when me even react to this far?
I'm there on a second game now. Gun game.
Embarrassing that.
Gun game in a Ross. Ross is a
Seriously,
very small
embarrassing.
place, so there should be a lot of people to kill. And gun game, every time you shoot somebody, your gun change.
Gun game.
So you get a better gun. So I'm gonna start here, but as me go right there, so there's gonna be a man. Where is he? Where am there?
Get killed.
So man is running around this. Gunshot.
Yes.
Gunshot.
Gun game. Show them where what the boss. Gun game.
Gunshot.
Yes. Know yourself.
See me tell
Gun
about
game.
that
See
game.
myself.
Gunshot. Who win? Media second place.
Second place. Alright, forward. Run us.
Gunshot.
Book 'em. Hold on. Show them where what boss. Turn on.
Yo, now tell a star.
Somebody up way over there say you never seen dog. You never couldn't see me.
Now tell your star.
This is just hard as watching it
But
back.
give it
It's
to
hard.
intent, you know. Gunshot.
Weigh yourself.
5 person killed.
Shoot the man now. It's a shotgun. So it's not.
Quick.
Douche.
Watch out! Kill a man from the side, idiot.
Douche. Watch out.
Watch out!
Me I go really see if me not go kill a man here. Boom. Kill him.
Watch out!
Boom.
Watch out!
Me can't believe this. I joke this, dog. I joke this dog. Dog, I joke this dog. Dog.
Quick.
Boom. No, I'm never kill a one there. Kill a one you know. Watch out, wham! Wham!
Watch out!
What?
Watch out! What the fuck, dog? Yo, that gun here, goes on gimme. Thanks. You're welcome. Yo, I can't deal with that game, my brother. Big woman thing. Thanks.
Yo, me traumatized.
Lord.
See me. See.
Yeah. Quick. Can't kill him.
Money. Ah!
Biggie, that's how you not kill a man there. How you never kill a man there?
See there. Oh!
Jesus Christ, whatever bash you up. Give up.
Oh, Jesus.
Me give up. One person kill 17 people, I'm only kill 8.
Yes, people me kill.
Big and full.
I'll push man there for kill that.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, this painful. Me not do no more reaction, people. Me not do no more reaction video, dog. No more reaction, my youth. Not to them video, dog. No, me not do no more reaction, brother. Joke this.
We come 4th place. We kill 10 people. Yo, my workless people. Leave a like, a comment, let me know your opinion.
People, me not do no more. If you don't want to see more reaction video, tell me in the comment section. Because I really and truly don't want to do no more. Me really and truly don't want to do no more. We not with them video, dog. Really and truly, dog. I have to go find something else to react to game-wise. Because me can't, what?
And what you would have done differently. Also,
Me give up.
please subscribe. Really appreciate the support. Thank you very much, people. Until next time. Also, let me know which game you want me to
Yo,
play.
me give up, dog. Me can't believe say yo, that really go another game. That's why the video name Rubber Bullets for true, dog. Like me seriously traumatized, dog. For how them boy are deal with me, not the thing like say, yo, it's hard for watch, people. It's hard for watch. But anyway, me not see no laughing. Me not want to see no say nobody say a good. Me no want to see nobody talk about me no good. Me no want to see nothing. Me no want to see nothing in the comment section. Don't even feel bother comment. Just like the video. And tell me if you want me to do more reactions. Cause it's painful and it hurt my heart. I'm hide them. So I will see you guys in the next reaction. If you want to see more. Alright? Peace.
I will play it. Yeah? So if you like GTA better than this, let me know. And I will play it. If you like both of them the same, let me know and I'll play them same way. So thanks for watching, guys. And see you in the next video. Peace.